Welcome to the industrial operation channel. So in last video we have covered the basics about the vertical drilling machine. So today we will cover about this operations about this drilling machine, and we will give you one practical. In that we will explain how we can use the drilling machine in the live. So let's start. First of all, if you can see here in the screen, so this is the vertical drilling machine and all the parts. If you can see in the last session we have explained very well, so you can go and check out this earlier video. In that we cover this: what is the guard, what is the belt, pulley, all the things, and what is the use of this work table, how we can provide this upward and down movement to this chuck by using this lever. Here is a table clamp, so by using this table clamp we can give the table upward and down movement. So these things we have covered in earlier videos. So now we will show you how we can perform operation. So first of all, we are going to drill one hole on this flat wooden sheet. In this video we are going to use one wooden sheet, and in that we have mark where we have to drill the hole. So first of all, we will take this drill bit and fit it into the chuck. Means by using if you we have various dimensional drill bits. So as per our diameter and requirement, we will get into it. So if you can see here, the in the left hand side we have on and off switch for this machine, and in the left hand side we have lever. Sorry, in the right hand side we have one lever. By using this lever we will give the upward and downward motion to this chuck, and we will drill this hole. So also we have this board we have placed on the work table. In the first of all we have to place the sheet on this, and we have to give the dimensions, means where we have to, and then we have to on the machine, and we will go the lever direction in the downward movement. And then after doing that we have to close this machine because we will get injuries. So we have make one hole, and below we have used this wooden block, right? Why we are using that wooden block? So I will explain you. Because for this finishing, so we have to use this wooden block. If you can see the hole, the no bore and no nothing is there. So without block we will going to drill one more hole, so that you can understand easily. I have make one drill hole, so I will show you. Here in the first hole we not see any burr and all something, and finish hole is there. In the second one without wooden block, so the all the burrs and the not the finishing is not well. So that's why we are using this wooden block multiple. So this kind of simple tips and hacks, so we are work will be we really finish and give the very finishing work. So we will place on this today's session. That's it for the today's session for this industrial operation. Please like, share, and subscribe. So in the later on we will cover more topics on this, so you will get the notification. Thank you.